Pretty good. It has, believe it or not, tambourine in it. The right tang. Yeah. That tang, and it reaches the back of your, it starts from the front of your tongue. And the flavor is so rich that it reaches the back. Not with the food, but the body gives itself time to savor as it travels. Adirondacks best. Catskills, finest. If you look very closely, we are well protected. And that's just what you can see at this time of the day in Grand Central. Come see New York. Let me see if I can get Pegasus in there. I'm not getting most of what's on this ceiling. Boy, you should see it. She is a gem. Yeah, as I've said before, this hall here is meant to be New York City's crossroad of crossroads. And when one Vanderbilt place kicks off outside, I don't know how long they're going to take to build that baby. That beautiful, second to only World Trade Center 1. We have Vanderbilt Place 1. And in the right-hand corner at Grand Central, we find Vanderbilt. 1 Vanderbilt. And to the left, we find World Trade Center 1. So it's 1, 1, and 1. All together in New York City. Hey, did I sound like Howard Cosell introducing a Muhammad Ali fight? No, could never be that. But it's great, man. See what time it is on the clock. Want to see what time it is on the clock? Do you know what time it is? Do you have to check the clock? Be comedic. Leave me alone. Let's see.
Track change announcement. 649 Vanderbilt West, Melrose, first stop. Department track 32 on the upper level.
608.
649 Vanderbilt West, Melrose, first stop. Will depart off the track 32 on the upper level. The track change.
Let me take you just for a quick second. Let me take you for a quick second up the stairs. And this is going to be quick because I give you too much of this stuff. I'm giving you too much, period. Oh wow, I can't miss that. I'll come back and go up the stairs. I gotta get this All Station. I've been talking about All Station and I see another service that he's providing. Excuse me. See that? That's why it's called All Station. Not German Shepherd. See that? He knows where to go. She's not leading him. He's leading her. And if you know my big bad German Shepherd in the yard, just guess what he can do with it. He feels threatened. And believe me, he knows. One of the smartest breed. My father loved those dogs. He had beagles too. He had German Shepherd and beagles. But he got German Shepherd 3 times as I can remember. Beagles, beagles were 2. So we up the stairs. And I'm going to show you the hall itself. See how many people is there? And that's thinning out. It's 6 o'clock. So that's thinning out. You know how many people is up here. So. See? And that's it. Okay, I lied. Can't resist. Colors. Pink stockings. Nothing flamboyant. Just ladies' colors. Look at her. So graceful. Bam. I look down and it says 10 minutes. Usually I give you guys like 30 minutes. Like 1/3, right? So. You guys, emergency call. See? That's what happens when you travel. You got to watch out for people who suddenly turn around. I've been down here before, but I just feel like continuing this video down here. See all this stuff you can get? I mean, like wonderful jewelry. I'm not even going to get close to that. I'm just going to tell you, it's wonderful jewelry. See that? Wonderful jewelry. This little alcove right here. And the cards, you can't beat them. I mean, like specialty cards. And you can come and say, oh, I want XXX with that design. And bam, by the time you get off work tomorrow, it's right there. No, you're not going to get it. It's not a printer. It's printed. No. See? I mean, like crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Grand stuff. Grand stuff. Grand Central stuff. I didn't realize I was saying that over and over again. Grand stuff. What's the headpieces there? Headbands. Oh boy. This one right here is like, oh boy. Did you see how the light just exploded a while ago in the camera? Well, that's jewelry. Yeah, see? Yeah. And that's it, they're done. I don't care what time it is. Got a few more minutes. Oh, you don't care. You want it to be done. Well, believe me, she's not relaxed under there for no reason. That's women's stuff. Jewelry.